Hello everyone. This is a part of the aromatic amine is a diazonium salt preparation. Today we will focus on the mechanism of how the diazonium ion and the diazonium salt is being prepared. This is our point of interest. So let's take on the key point of diazonium salt formation is the addition of NO molecule followed by a series of acid-wet reactions that turns the oxygen to water and creates a triple bond between the two nitrogens, which is very important. I focus on the another this part once more. That is a reaction that turns the oxygen to water and creates a triple bond between the two nitrogens. The water is then put off as a leaving agent. Diazonium salt formation is only possible with primary allyl or alkyl amines. So here is a normal reaction. There is an aniline has been taken with it NaNO2 and ACl has been added at 0 degree centigrade and the corresponding diazonium salt has been prepared. So we will focus on the mechanism of the reaction. First, the NaNO2. You can see the Na has developing a positive charge and the corresponding oxygen as a negative charge. And the ACl is being added with the oxygen and corresponding Na has been getting removed as NaCl. Now we can see that the intermediate molecule is HONO, which further the oxygen react with the H molecule of the HCl and the corresponding H2O NO intermediates are being formed. Now a positive charge has been developed on the oxygen. Now there will be a breakage of bond shown in the figure with complete removal of the water molecule and the corresponding NO molecule will be left behind, which we call as a nitrozonium ion. This nitrozonium ion will take part in the further reaction. So the anyl has a lone pair of electron which will react with the nitrozonium ion. The corresponding the lone pair of electron will make a bond with the positive ion of the nitrozonium ion and a corresponding intermediate product has been formed with the benzene ring NH2 plus NO and a double bond is corresponding there. In the next part, the intermediate product formation of nitrozomine is the main point of interest. Now we break the compound in a structural basis like the phenyl group NH2NO. Here we'll add a base and of HB. The corresponding H will getting removed and B minus will left behind and the H will attach with the corresponding oxygen and the nitrozomine ion will be formed. The next step, the B minus which left behind the base will react with the H of the NH bond and the corresponding compound will form, which is named as N-hydroxyazo compound, and the H B again come back into a base form. The final step, we can see that the intermediate, the azo compound has been formed, which again will react with the base, the H part of the base, and the corresponding again a water molecule has been developed. In the next part, the lone pair of nitrogen will come back to form a triple bond and the bond between N and OH2 will break down to form a water molecule to form a diazonium ion, which corresponding react with the Cl ion to form the diazonium salt. This is our total process of the mechanism of diazonium salt preparation. Thank you.